She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Hey y'all, it's Alondra and welcome back to the land. Y'all, today's video is going to be super quick. I say that all the time. Today I'm going to just show y'all how I reuse my store-bought beauty supply lashes. Right now these are my naked eyeballs, okay? I'm just going to show y'all like I said, how I get that natural lash look. How my lashes be looking popping, looking like I got extensions, looking like I paid $70, but I paid probably $5 because lashes be expensive now. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial, so let's go. Y'all, these are the lashes I'm gonna be starting with today. There's literally nothing special about them. These are $5 wispy lashes. I've already worn these probably 6 times, and today will make lucky number 7. So I'm gonna show y'all what I would do if they were like way more dirtier. Sometimes they have mascara on them, but right now they're actually fairly clean because I already did this routine the other day. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to repeat it and show y'all how I would clean them if they were super dirty. I'm going to take a little bit of water, get them wet just a little bit. Take a little bit of soap. Like literally, you don't even need that much. And literally just rub them. It doesn't even matter. You see there's some dirt. And then y'all, this is how they look when they're fresh, done being washed. And then this is what I do. I literally just get a towel, any towel, lay them, you know, separate the lashes. You wanna make sure they're separated before you do this. Separate your lashes, fold the towel over. Don't rub it, just like smush it really quick. And that's it. They're clean and they're dry. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and washed the lashes just like that. They're clean. And then what I like to do is pick off the old glue from like last time I wore them, and I just do this so that the band is like super, it's back to being thin like when you first bought it. I'm basically getting the lashes back into their original state before I put them back on. So here is the lash exactly how you want it to be. Super thin, super clean, light and fluffy, just like how you bought it. Brand new lash right there. All right, now it's time to apply the lashes. One thing I make sure I always do is like to get the natural look. This is if you're going for a natural look. Don't put any mascara on my eye. I leave my regular eye dry and bare. It just makes all the lashes it looks natural. It looks like you don't have mascara on, but you technically don't need mascara because your lashes are long. It basically gives that look of lash extensions. Now, don't get me wrong, like clearly this is a strip. It's gonna be completely different from lash extensions. That's how I'm gonna tell you my next tip is like, basically how to apply the strip or whatever. So I try to apply as little bit of glue as I can. Right now I did a little more because lately I have been a little heavy-handed, but get to the point. I use a little bit of glue. I put no mascara on my real lashes, and that is another major key. All right, major key. Like you have to wait for the glue to get tacky. So I blow it. This is where I grab it with my tweezers. I leave a little bit room from the lash line and I grab it in the center of the eyelash. So leave a little space from the band. Hope y'all can see how I went under. And then I attach the corners. I basically try to go super close to my lash line, and I like push the band in my lash line. Let me hurry up and attach this one. So we're not done, but that is basically the lash on. Now what I do, I just keep pushing that band, keep pushing it close to my lash line. That's my way of pushing it. And then I like to go and pinch it. Pinch it. Be very careful. If it looks like I'm moving fast, it's because I do this kind of a lot, but it really hurts if you pinch your eyelid, so be careful. Now, all the white areas are going to dry, so don't worry about that. this glue dries clear. I always make sure my tweezers are completely clean and they don't have any glue residue on them, because if you have a little bit of glue on your tweezers, it'll like snag the lash and it'll just mess up. So I'm always going through wiping off my tweezer. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this one, I didn't get it as close to my lash line that I usually do, because I'm like trying to make sure y'all can see it. So this one, I'm not gonna talk, I'm gonna just put it on. Okay, grab it from the middle again. All right, now let's go. Okay, y'all, that's basically how I put them on. We're gonna let all that white eye glue dry, and maybe I'll fill in my brows, even though that's not what we're here for. But I'm gonna fill in my brows right quick, and I'll come back and show y'all the finished look. All right, y'all, and here is the finished look. So this is pretty much what I do if I'm going, not out, but if I'm just not going out to a club or somewhere like that. But yeah, honestly, this has been my new makeup routine, basically. Just eyebrows, lashes, lip gloss. But yeah, if y'all like the way these lashes came out and you think this is gonna be a simple, easy routine that you can do too, give this video a big thumbs up. And if it maybe wasn't up to par of what you normally do, then tag me in a video, show me what you do, comment, I don't know. But this is what I do, it's what works for me, and yeah, it works. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the video here. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and before you know it, I'll be back on your screen in a blink of an eye. Y'all know I'm corny. I had to throw in something corny. I had to. But all right, bye y'all.